Hello, good morning. Today I'm cleaning 100 years old Saruk Oriental rug 9 by 12, saturated so bad from pee-pee, dog pee-pee, then I don't even dare sitting on this rug. It smells so bad you cannot imagine. I would like to show you a cleaning process that makes sense, that you will say to yourself, wow, this is how my Oriental rug is supposed to be cleaned. Not with a scrubber and all the other cleaning process that's designed to clean the floor mat in front of Home Depot. This cleaning process designed to clean a beautiful Oriental rug, saturated with a dog pee-pee or cat pee-pee or raccoon, or it doesn't matter. Cleaning process that makes sense. So my cleaning product that's coming from the big tanks over there will flood the rug, will go through the rug. The vacuum is under the rug. So the suction coming from under the rug, take everything through the rug, take it down, put it through some filters, and then it's coming back here to this Houdini tube. The tubes show me what's coming from the rug, how the cleaning process progressed. Folding Oriental rug for shipping or for storage the right way. Flip the Oriental rug so the back of the rug will face to the ceiling. Fold the rug the right way. Do not put tape on the rug. Put the rug in the garbage bag. The big 55-gallon drum, 8 by 10, will go perfectly into it. pictures of the package and text it to 954-594-2564. We will email you the UPS label. Put the label on the bag, and we will arrange UPS to come to your door and pick it up. Thank you very much. PetPeePee, Oriental rug drapery cleaning from dog and cat urine odor.